Today we have a 2011 Yama Seiki CNC turning center with a FANUC 0ITD control. Machine has an 8-inch chuck, tool setter, tailstock, and a chip conveyor. Now we're going to run it. .500 RPM. 1,500. 2,500. That's 3,000 RPM. Tool setter. Turret index, it's got a 12-position turret. I jog the turret. All right. This machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.